there goes nothing. Maybe I should use 2 hands for this.
Let me know if you smell bananas.
Yeah.
Why?
Because that's what their attack pheromone smells like. We hopefully coax them off the top. Just a little bit of smoke. So they all go down in there.
Put the puffer on top of the
other hive.
Yeah.
That's what this is for. They're all stuck. Wow, the full frame is heavy.
Maybe inspect. What do you see?
Capped honey. It's both sides, which makes sense for the one on the edge there. All the comb is drawn, which is good. Yeah, maybe on the top. Second frame. Stuck to something at the bottom. There we go. Second frame looks like capped worker brood on that side and this side. I don't know enough about laying patterns to know if it looks good. I don't see the queen.
What color is she?
I don't know. She's supposedly marked. Like she should have a paint marker dot, like a big thick Sharpie dot on her abdomen. Sorry, B. Alright, third frame. Looks like more capped honey on that side. They really let you mess with them, don't they? Huh. This one looks like mostly capped honey. There's a little bit of brood. And just kind of empty cells.
Yep, just find it on there. Hi, friend.
This one looks like mostly brood.
What age?
Capped. I can see some larvae.
Still sitting there.
That side's almost all capped. Still haven't actually seen the queen. Which maybe is okay. I didn't actually see any eggs. But we have no sun and it's hard to
They should be closer together
They should be closer together, yeah.
without smushing them.
Right. Those little prongs on the side are supposed to keep them from getting smushed.
There's some in between. You might have killed one.
I might have.
Yeah, there's. Push this one out a little bit, baby.
They don't like the sudden movement of the hand. Some of them fly up.
This one's just sitting on it. Just landed and it's just sitting there, drinking up the
Alright, girls.
drinking up the water.
Enjoy your new house. They're supposed to be snugged up towards the middle. That's my understanding.
Is it possible the queen is one of the ones down here?
I think it's more likely that she was like wrapped up in a bunch of workers, with them protecting her, and we just didn't see her. Everybody back up. I'm gonna do the thing I saw on the internet where I whack this to confuse them and then just dump them in. That didn't work at all.
Still got a whole bunch left on it.
Yeah, they're on the comb. We fill this up with the syrup, and then they can crawl up out of this hole in the middle to drink it, and we don't open it for a week, ideally. Shit. Was that half?
Stir it a little bit. It was solid,
Oh.
but
It was homogeneous.
yeah, they got cold. They don't come out at all for a week?
They'll come out.
They come out of this hole right here.
Yeah, they come out of this hole at the front.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, that hole. It's the only hole that's there?
Yep.
I can also make some more. Pour more in.
Okay.
Use all of it if you want.
I think all of it will fit. Oh, there's a bee on my glove. Hello. Especially if it's going to be cold, it's better not to open. Okay. Now we don't knock that over in there, that would be bad. And
How do they get to
they crawl up. Did you see the hole in the center?
There's a hole in that.
Yeah. There's a hole in the wooden piece and in this, and they can just crawl straight up into here. Smoker smells good, making me hungry. Alright, and that should be it. So what I would like to see is bees at the front here fanning out the hey, it's here smell. But maybe they'll start. Can I get some of you to climb onto the hive tool? Is that a thing you're willing to do? No, they don't like it. Well, we'll just put that there.
They're good and ready.
Cool.